Hey folks, this video is all about Creative Stage version 2, enhanced version of Creative Stage 2.1 Soundbar with Subwoofer. The Creative Stage version 2 Soundbar is come up with a new design and audio technology called as Sound Blaster. It delivers improved vocal, clear dialogue and a wide surrounds experience compared to the previous version. With this Creative Stage version 2, you can enjoy a cinema-like experience in the comfort of your home. That's all for in this first look and audio check video. We will cover a detailed review and comparison of Creative Stage version 2 and 1 in the next video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get updates. Thanks for watching.